Is this India First Life Cashback plan a smart financial plan, or are you settling for less than what you deserve? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what is this policy is about. So, this is a non-participating, non-linked individual life insurance savings plan. So, some of the key features of the policy are you get to pay premiums for a limited period while staying invested for a longer duration based on your financial needs. You can also receive guaranteed payouts at regular intervals throughout the policy term, and you can earn guaranteed additions credited to your policy at the end of each policy year. You can also enjoy risk cover, which is the higher of 10 times the annualized premium or the sum assured on maturity, along with accumulated guaranteed additions. You can also enhance your policy coverage with optional riders like accidental death benefit, total and permanent disability, and waiver of premium by paying an additional premium. You can also avail potential tax benefits on premiums paid and benefits received, which is subjected to prevailing tax laws. Now let us take a look at the benefits. So one, we have death benefit in case the policyholder unfortunately passes away during the policy term, then the nominee will receive the following benefit presented on the screen as a death benefit, which is your max 10 into annualized premium sum assured on maturity plus guaranteed additions equal to 7% of annualized premium into till the year of death. So this is the death benefit. Survival benefit is your 20% of the sum assured on maturity, which is receivable twice during the policy term. Like if you have a policy term of 9 years, you will receive your survival benefit at the end of 3rd and 6th year. If you have a policy term like 12 years, you will receive your survival benefit at the end of 4th and 8th year, like that. So maturity benefit is something you get at the end of the policy term. So here the policyholder will receive 60% of the sum assured at maturity along with guaranteed additions based on the policy term as a maturity benefit. This maturity benefit will be payable at the end of the policy term. So these are all the benefits available under policy. Now the advantages are you can enjoy a discount on renewal premiums when paid in advance. You can benefit from higher premium enhancement factors on the sum assured at maturity for larger annualized premium. You can enhance your coverage by adding riders to the base policy, and you can even access a loan facility of up to 80% of the surrender value. So these are the advantages. Disadvantages are your policy term and premium payment term lacks flexibility. Your survival benefits cannot be deferred. Life coverage may be inadequate. Survival benefits may also encourage discretionary spending, and despite the guaranteed benefits, the returns from this policy are low. So these are the drawbacks that you need to be mindful about before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, as we have a basic understanding of this policy, let us now assess the potential returns from this policy by analyzing the internal rate of return (IRR) of this policy based on the figures given in the policy brochure. So for calculation purpose, let us assume that a 30-year-old individual purchases this policy with a sum assured of 2 lakhs. The policy term is 15 years with a premium payment term of 10 years and an annual premium of 17,371 rupees. The policyholder receives 20% of the sum assured, which is 40,000 at the end of the 5th and 10th year. The remaining 60% of the sum assured along with guaranteed maturity benefit is paid at the end of the term. The final maturity amount is 1.38 lakhs, resulting in an IRR of just 3.03% as per the policy's maturity calculator. Such a low return over a 15-year period makes this plan financially unappealing. Despite the certainty of survival and maturity benefits, the returns fall short. Moreover, survival benefits cannot be deferred or accumulated. Additionally, the sum assured is too low to provide adequate financial protection for a family. With poor returns, a rigid cash flow structure, and insufficient life coverage, the India First policy fails to serve as an effective insurance or investment option. Now, as we know that this policy is not giving us the desirable outcome that we need, we are going to explore better alternative strategies in the market that provide the same cash payouts as the India First policy while keeping insurance and investments separate. As you see, as per the IRDAI regulations, the minimum sum assured for a pure term life insurance policy is 5 lakhs, which the earlier example does not meet. In this comparison, we are going to assume life coverage of 5 lakhs and proceed with the calculation. So, a pure term life insurance policy is chosen for the purpose of life insurance coverage. So, with a sum assured of 5 lakhs would cost approximately 2600 rupees per year for a 15-year policy term with premiums paid over 10 years. This leaves us with 14,771 rupees per year available for investment. For investment, we can opt for an equity linked savings scheme to match the survival benefit. Partial withdrawals are made with the final redemption occurring at the end of the policy term. So, capital gains are considered only during the final redemption, utilizing the 1.25 lakh annual tax exemption limit. So, by the end of the policy term, the pre-tax value of the investment stands at 3.16 lakhs and the post-tax value is at 3.11 lakhs, yielding an IRR of 9.71%. If periodic withdrawals are avoided and the amount is redeemed at the end, the returns could be even higher. Additionally, this alternative strategy offers flexibility, allowing withdrawals whenever required. This policy lacks both higher returns and liquidity, which makes this alternative strategy such a superior option. So, now what is the final verdict? Is investing in the India First Life cashback plan worth investing or not? So, this is a typical money back policy that provides guaranteed cash payouts at regular intervals. However, its rigid structure, including fixed premium payment, policy term, and payout interval, limits flexibility, preventing investors from aligning the plan with their financial needs. This mismatch often results in benefits that do not effectively serve their intended purpose. An analysis of returns shows that while the plan guarantees payouts, its overall returns are significantly below par, and it also has a high agent commission. A long-term investment with poor returns will not keep up with inflation, making it inadequate for future financial goals. Additionally, the sum assured is insufficient to provide meaningful financial security to the family. So, although the idea of guaranteed benefits at regular interval may seem attractive, the combination of low returns, lack of flexibility, and inadequate life coverage makes this policy an unsuitable choice for investors. Blending insurance and investment within a single product often fails to deliver optimal results, so money back plans provide inadequate life cover and periodic payout that may not align with actual financial needs, so reducing their overall effectiveness. In contrast, a pure term life insurance policy offers significantly higher coverage at a much lower cost. And to secure your financial future, focus on building an investment portfolio tailored to your risk appetite, financial goals, and investment time horizon. And for a well structured financial plan, consider consulting with a professional like a certified financial planner who can provide personalized guidance based on your unique financial objectives. If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.